Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. So guys, mao ni ilahang Jordan. Higot lang din nato kuan. So ang ilang price is 699. This Jordan yang sa lain-lain niya color. Ini siya 1,000. Ang original price is 1,100 real. Karon na sila discount nimong 699.
Please come.
So mo ni diri ilang mga items karon available. Yan ang mga price nila.
Walang problema.
Walang problema.
Hindi, mas mura.
What is the address here?
This is Nike behind the Taba Center, Dammam corner. His name is Malat Plaza.
Malat Plaza.
Hello.
Hello.
YouTube.
Aywa, YouTube.
And this is factory outlet. We have
Ah.
always discount.
Factory outlet.
Factory outlet. Always we have discount. 50%, 30%, 20%.
All items?
Some item more than 60% also. 90% item.
Okay.
Billy, mas mura.
Factory outlet nila sa Nike. All So guys, kung gusto mo kuan diri na makita niyo diri sa Dammam. Nasa sila yung mga t-shirt, bag. Bag. With discount.
More discount.
Almost all.
More discount.
More discount, kaya ba?
factory outlet. Diri 300 Air Max. So muna siyang Air Max white color. Air Jordan 1. So 5,500 is our.
Oh yeah, you want to buy anything, any size, just call me.
Yes, I will come. See. Night Court Vision. Ano siya? Night Court Vision. $379 is R. So almost 3,000 sa dito sa tuwa. Ano siyang night blazer. Nasla mga kalain-lain ng mga sizes. Nasla discount 27% discount. Before 449 pero nag 329 na lang sila. Jordan Air 200E. Uh, 329 lang. Factory outlet Jordan 23E. Ini siya pang kung ano gusto kag jogging. Farewell Blue 10XCC latest. Mo ano ilang latest di ay. Unsa ni Air Jordan 1. Air Jordan.
Wala mahirap kuya basta may pera.
Ano daw?
Mahirap daw piliin.
Oo nga. Air Jordan. So 699. Pero pinakamahal ka ni Air Jordan 1 high siningan. Dako kayong kuan discount niya.
Kaning Jordan na fade away ang
Red combination sa kuan. Kani sa message sa Air Jordan 1 low is 8. Rig Jordan Nike outlet.
ako dili. Ako.
Hello. Ang price ano nakarang is 499 or 500. Discount 41%.
Brother.
Ano?
Buhay na second na.
Oh, night junk.
Vietnam ba yan?
Last piece. Last piece just 560, otherwise 749. Last piece 299.
It's made from Vietnam.
Jordan Pitaway. 23.
Nice, size 11 on the
Last piece? Very good.
only size 11. 45.
It's American.
No other size.
May mga t-shirt dito nindot.
Asa?
Ito, here.
Yeah.
Jordan.
There. Tunay. Dali, pwede kita bayan to 60.
Oh.
Oh, blazer.
Pero naman sila yung mga size good.
Oo.
Ganun.
599. Zoom man siguro.
Air Zoom.
Kabaw ko basta sa
Ano sa
mga
may
cloud.
one. Pero dili mo ni Jordan.
Dili, blazer.
Ah, mga kabayan na pa. Let's go.